Hello everybody, and welcome to the final video of 7 cities in 7 days. And today we're going to be leaving the city of Need and heading to the city of Kayseri. Before we get into that, if you enjoyed this series, make sure you subscribe, because this is only the beginning of the adventures I want you guys to be a part of. So now let's get to the bus station. Currently at the Need bus station. We're going to be heading to Kayseri. We got something exciting planned for our last day, so I'll see you guys in Kayseri. This was the first time that I've seen lightning since I've been in Turkey, and it just started to pour. So hopefully it's not like this in Kayseri and we have a problem. We are on the 13th floor. Guys, we are about to head out, and maybe you guessed it, maybe you haven't, but I am going to do something involved with the snow today. Well, I don't know if it's going to be skiing, I don't know if it's going to be snowboarding. It'll most likely end up being sledding because I am very uncoordinated. Before I came to Turkey, I never saw snow at all. So now I'm going to be going up into a mountain and trying to ski or some sort of snow activity. It was terrible weather outside earlier, but it has started to clear up. All our cameras ready, we got our jackets, we got our gloves, we got everything I think we need. We are heading out.
Please, what do you want? How can I help you?
Oh, I was just going to like a snowboard.
Snowboard. You want to do snowboard?
Yeah, why not?
Yes, please come.
Okay.
Do you need instruction?
Yes.
Instruction.
I don't know what to do.
What to do? Yes, well, it seems snow and wind.
We can't let that stop the fun, right?
Good luck. Follow him, please.
Okay.
Follow me, kardeş, gel.
All right, let's go.
His name is Husu.
Hasu.
Yes.
Alberto Tumba.
Nice to meet
My
you.
name is, yes.
Memnun oldum.
What is your name? Kayan da Kayan.
Michael.
Kayan and Michael.
Okay. Yes.
Selamünaleyküm Amerika.
Assalamu Turkey. Right, just got done skiing for the first time ever, but it's terrible weather, but it was a great time. And thanks to this guy here, a great instructor, I learned how to stop.
Thanks.
I learned how to stop. I learned how to turn.
California.
Florida.
Florida.
Yeah, forget California.
Yes, Florida.
Yeah, California.
Bravo. Michael number one.
Number one.
Michael süper.
You number one. Yee.
Ski student, pardon. Aç Michael. Michael, very nice, very good ski student.
Oh yes. Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Teşekkür ederim.
Eyvallah baba. Şiraz.
So here we are on the side of the road in Kayseri. I absolutely love this place. The hotels are nice. They have a ski place that is so cool. I definitely want to come back here and do that again. Now we're headed to the greatest restaurant in Kayseri. So let's get to it. We are going to the best restaurant in Kayseri. Devili Civikli. Devili Civikli. The best restaurant in Kayseri. Let's do it. Alright, so the first thing they brought out some yogurt and some salad. This yogurt is actually a lot better than normal yogurt that I have. This is a lot more thick.
Sütün
A lot thicker.
mayalanması sonrasında.
Alright, they just brought out their famous pizza right here. Looks like it maybe has some like lamb and tomatoes. It looks very, very good. Can't wait to have some.
Supermarket.
Restaurant that we just went to, right underneath it is actually a supermarket. Very cool. Alright guys, and that is the end of 7 cities in 7 days. We ended it off with the city of Kayseri, and we went skiing. I've never been skiing before. I went skiing in a blizzard, but you know, you just can't stop the adventure. It's gonna happen. I actually really enjoyed doing this little series. It challenged me. It made me think outside the box. It made me come up with solutions to problems very quickly. Because a couple of the cities that I arrived in, stuff would either be closed, or it's raining, or I booked a hotel that's miles and miles away from anything. So I have to come up with solutions how to fix that so I'm able to put out a video each day. If you guys enjoyed this series, make sure you subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Or leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this, or another one that you'd like to see me do in the future. Alright, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.